Insurance. Monica Harris here, Managing Partner of Efficient Estates, where we specialize in life insurance and annuity strategies as financial solutions for generational wealth accumulation and, most importantly, preservation. So many have asked more about annuities. Monica, hey, we'd like to know more about annuities. Our firm specifically focuses on fixed and fixed indexed annuities, and if you refer to our website, what you'll see is a little bit of an explanation of how that could benefit you and your financial situation, including protecting your hard-earned dollars. So protecting your money against the potential for losses, creating income that you cannot outlive, keeping your money safe from volatility, which again is protecting it from losses, achieving balance and peace of mind, transferring the risk exposure of your money to an insurance company, and experiencing tax-deferred growth if that's not already an option for you. Aside, of course, what we already know life insurance is designed to do, there are a lot of additional benefits of life insurance other than final expense and death benefit. Some of those include supplemental retirement income, starting a business, providing income during a job loss and medical leave, or during a job transition, car repair, emergencies, paying for college, pay for a wedding. I mean, just an unlimited amount of things that you can do with, and I must say, a properly designed permanent life insurance policy. And so you might want to consider looking into that, because there are less restrictions on how you access your money if it's properly designed and has been funded properly. For those of us in the small business arena, you just would not believe how a properly designed life insurance policy can enhance your entire total picture as a business. Okay, so some of these things include, again, but are not limited to, replacing capital and recovery costs. So you've heard of capital replacement and cost recovery. Some of you have. That's a great big one. Enhancing your employer deduction potential, paying off the business debts of a deceased or disabled partner, temporarily recover lost revenue in the event of the death of a key employee, and providing capital to recruit and train the replacement of that deceased key employee. Attracting new talent or retaining key talent, enhance your balance sheet positioning, efficiently transfer business interests, protect your family's income in the event of a death, provide a fair price for your business interests, and simply assure business continuity. So again, I'm Monica Harris, Managing Partner of Efficient Estates, where we specialize in life insurance and annuity strategies as financial solutions for generational wealth accumulation and sustainability, specifically the preservation piece. You can find us at www.efficientestatesannuityandinsurance.com. We can also be found on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And you can find us on our YouTube channel. We are Efficient Estates.